This time we'll still look at electrostatic force, how we can solve more examples using the Coulomb's formula. Like I always say, your ability to solve more problems on a particular topic in physics, it what makes you a good physics student. So the problem is here, calculate the electrostatic force between two electrons separated by a distance 10 raised to power minus 10 meters. Take the charge on the electron to be 1.6 times 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs. The value of this is a constant and is equivalent to 9 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Given a problem, you need to analyze the problem. What are you looking for? What are the parameters? That's the first thing you need to do. Calculate the electrostatic force, which is F. What is it? Separated, calculate the electrostatic force between two electrons. Electron is a charged particle, a negatively charged particle. So separated. So assuming we have an electron here, we have an electron that has a charge of 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, and then separated by a distance of 10 raised to the power minus 10 meters. And this happens to be our R. So it means that Q1 is given as 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, and Q2 is given at 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, and R is given as 10 raised to the power minus 10 meters. So what we need to do at this time is to state the Coulomb's law or the formula using the Coulomb's formula. We state that F is equal to 1 all over 4 pi E naught times Q1, Q2 all over R square. So what we need to do at this moment is to substitute these values, and F will be equal to 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 as a constant. It is given here, and times 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 times 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 divided by 10 raised to the power minus 10 all squared. So at this point, this looks intimidating, but we can actually solve this without using a calculator. This 1.6 by 1.6, let's do it this way. We have 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 times 1.6 times 1.6 will give us about 2.56. Then the powers are the same, so we'll have minus times 10 raised to the power minus 19 plus minus 19. You can remember this. Divide by 1. If you square this, it will give us 10 raised to the power minus, or 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 20. So looking at this, we can express this as 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 times 2.56 times 10 raised to the power minus this, and this will give us minus 38 divided by 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 20. So what we need to do is you multiply this by this, which will give us about 23. 9 times 2.56 give us about 23 times 10 raised to the power 9 plus minus 38. So divide by 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 20. So at this point, if you do this, we will be having 23 times 10 raised to the power minus 28, because 9 minus 38 will give us minus 28 divided by 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 20. So if you take this up, it becomes plus. So this becomes 23 times 10 raised to the power minus 28 plus 20. You know that, which will now give us, that is all over 1, which is still the same thing as this. 23 times 10 raised to the power minus 28 plus this will give us, minus 28 plus 20 will give us 8, minus 8. That will give us minus 8 Newton. So this is how you can solve this, and this becomes our electrostatic force. Thank you.